So right here we have this Hisense AC unit right here. It's one of those window units. This thing is fantastic, works really well, looks very nice in here as well. Also comes with a remote with all the controls that you see right up top here as well. So it's very easy to use. You do have your on-off button right here. This is Energy Star, by the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for you guys. You can see that we are on eco mode, so we have it set at a 77. If you want to bring that up or down, you just simply have your arrows right here on the side, so you can put that at whatever temperature you want. Very easy to see these big numbers on here as well. I can switch it between the modes. I can go to eco, cool, dry, and fan. This is cool, set to 75. I can go dry and fan, which are going to bring my temperature to nothing because it's just the fan running in there. And then you can select your mode for your fan right here, which is low, high, and medium. Very easy to toggle between them right there. And then you can also set a timer, a sleep timer, and a filter thing right there. So this thing is amazing. On the front right here, it just simply pops on open whenever you need to change your filter. You pop that one out, you can clean it or put a new one in there, and then close that right back on up, and you are good to go. If your main condenser right out there, just simply sticks out the back of the window so that it can do its thing and get the room cooling up for you. So if y'all are looking for a fantastic window unit, something that's nice, modern looking, got the easy to use buttons, easy control display, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these by Hisense. These things are awesome. I wanted to mention too that on the vents right here, you can move these from side to side so that you can direct your air whichever way you want it to go. So, you know, if you have it in a bedroom, it's not like blowing on your face while you're sleeping or something like that. You can turn them the other way. So you can also move these things up and down as well, just by simply pressing on it. So you can direct your air to the top or to the bottom. So definitely go and grab y'all one of those if that's something that you're looking for. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.